Hey everyone, welcome back to RGB Web Tech. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. I know it might sound complicated, but guess what? Building your own AI system is totally possible, and I'm here to tell you exactly how to do it step by step. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. Define the problem. Alright, first things first, you need to define the problem you want your AI to solve. Think of it as setting the goal for your project. Ask yourself, what do I want this AI to do? What kind of problem will it solve for people or businesses? For example, maybe you want your AI to predict sales for a business, recognize faces in photos, or filter out spam emails. Getting super clear about the problem will help you decide what kind of data you need and what type of AI model to use. So, don't rush this part, it's super important. Gather and process data. Now that you know what problem you want to solve, it's time to gather and process data. Think of data as the fuel that powers your AI. The more good quality data you have, the smarter your AI will be. Here's the step-by-step. Collect data, find the right kind of data for your problem. For example, if you want your AI to recognize faces, you'll need lots of labeled photos of faces. Clean and process the data. Data isn't always perfect. Sometimes it has errors, missing info, or even duplicates. Clean it up by removing mistakes, organizing it properly, and converting things into numbers if needed. The better your data, the better your AI, simple as that. Choose the right algorithm. Now it's time to choose the right algorithm. This is basically picking the right method to teach your AI. CNNs, convolutional neural networks, perfect for image recognition. Linear regression, great for predicting trends, like stock prices. Decision trees and SVMs, support vector machines, awesome for sorting things into categories, like spam versus not spam. Try out different models to see which one works best. It's all about experimenting. Train the model. Next up is training your model. This is where your AI starts learning. You feed it the data, and it starts recognizing patterns. Give it the data you collected. Let it make predictions. See how well it did. Make adjustments to improve it. You keep repeating this until it gets really good at what it's supposed to do. Test and validate the model. Once your model is trained, you need to test and validate it. This is like giving it a pop quiz to see if it actually learned anything. Split the data, use some data to train it and some new data to test it. Measure its performance, look at things like accuracy and precision to see how well it did. If it doesn't do great, that's okay. Just go back, tweak things, and try again. Deploy the AI system. Now for the fun part, deploying your AI system. This means putting it to work in the real world. Integrate the model, add it to an app, a website, or even a device. Monitor its performance, keep an eye on it to make sure it's still working well and update it when needed. And that's it. You just learned how to build an AI system from scratch. I hope I made it simple and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more AI topics, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.